Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to create a brand new website, a Xampp website from scratch. So a Xampp website will look something like this. So this is our home page, then about me, then classes with all the class details and all, then content creator, and finally get fit. And it's going to be completely a responsive website, so it's going to look something like this on our phone. And we are going to create in about 1 hour. So to watch the video till the end, I will recommend you to practice it alongside watching this video. That's going to give you a hands-on experience on working on WordPress. So you are going to start with setting up our WordPress locally on your system. Then I'll show you how you can easily install Astra. Then a very popular plugin called Elementor. So we'll use Elementor to build our website, and we'll use Astra as a theme. And we're also going to create a logo, something like this, muscle maker, and we are going to use it on our website. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always ask me on our comment sections, and I'm also on Instagram now, so you can also follow me over there. You can ask all of your doubts over there as well. I'll definitely going to help you. So first thing that you need to have is Xampp. So just go to your favorite browser and just simply type Xampp download. Alright, so you are going to use this Xampp server. So click on this download Xampp. So you are going to use this Xampp server to make a local host environment locally on your system. So click on this download button, and it's going to start downloading our Xampp. You can see here it will going to start downloading our Xampp, and it is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see you already have Xampp available, right? So just simply double click on our Xampp, click on yes. So we need to install our Xampp server. So welcome to Xampp. And our Xampp setup wizard is rightly open. Click on next. So again click on next, click on next. So language will be English, click on next. So language will be English, click on next. Ready to be installed, click on next, and there you go. You can see our installation is rightly began. So let's wait for a couple of minutes to get it finished installing our Xampp. So by the time our Xampp get installed, I'll show you how you can download WordPress. Alright, so just open a new tab and just simply type WordPress over here and WordPress download, and it will show you this download wordpress.org. So just simply open that and let's download our latest version of WordPress. So get WordPress. So you can see at the time of making of this video is version 6.4.3. So maybe the time when you'll be watching this video, you might see a different version of WordPress, but don't worry, whatever steps that I'm showing on this video will be pretty much same. Alright, so just simply click on this download WordPress, and it's going to start downloading our WordPress. I have already WordPress, so I'll cancel this. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see already have that same WordPress downloaded over here, right? So you need to just simply right click and you need to extract our WordPress over here. So just simply click on extract, and we're going to start extracting our WordPress. So we'll come back, and you can see that our WordPress is rightly extracted over here. So if you go inside our WordPress folder, you can see we have a lot of files, right? So let's go to our directory back, and let's see the progress of our Xampp installation. So you can see our Xampp is rightly installed now. So let's start our Xampp. So just simply click on finish. So that should launch our Xampp. So you can see our Xampp is rightly launched over here, right? So here you need to start your Apache server, and then you need to also start your MySQL server, right? So after starting these two, you need to click on admin. So admin of MySQL, so it's going to open our PHPMyAdmin on our browser, right? And after that, what you need to do is you need to click on this new, and you need to just simply give a database name. So database name we should give as WordPress. All right, so whatever name we are giving over here, that same name we need to give during the installation of WordPress. I'm going to show you that on the later part of the video, don't worry. So just simply give WordPress over here and click on create. So it's going to start creating our WordPress. You can see it is rightly created over here, our WordPress database. Now I can minimize your browser. So remember, we have extracted our WordPress, right? So this folder, so you need to right click on that folder and you need to cut that folder, and then you need to go to your C drive, and then within our Xampp folder, to go inside that Xampp folder, and then you will be seeing this htdocs folder. So you need to go inside that htdocs folder, and here you need to right click and paste that WordPress folder. So whatever file we have downloaded from internet, that zip file, then after extraction of that WordPress folder is what you need to paste within our htdocs folder. All right, so after doing all this, you need to go back to your browser again. So remember, we have created WordPress database, right? So now it's time to install our WordPress. So for that, let's open a new tab and just simply type here localhost, then give a slash, and then just simply type WordPress. So remember, whatever folder name we have here, so within htdocs folder, whatever folder name we have, that same folder name you need to just type over here and after localhost slash and then that folder name. So hit enter, and immediately you'll be seeing this screen. So this is our setup for our WordPress screen. All right, so you can choose any language. I'm going to keep the default United States English. Continue. Then again, let's install our WordPress. So again, here it is telling to give a database name. Whatever database name you have given over here, that WordPress, that same database name you need to provide here as well. So just simply give that database name over here, WordPress, and then let's give a username. I'm going to give a username as a root, and password also I'm going to leave it blank, and all other things I'm going to keep it default and click on submit. So it's going to show you this screen. So click on run the installation, and there you go. You can see it is rightly started. So before that, it will ask you to give a site title. So as a site title basically means this title. So whatever you can see here written like WordPress, then this arrow, then installation, right? So this is basically title. So similar to that, we are going to create a gym website, right? So we're going to give something, a gym related title over here. So let's give something like muscle maker as our gym title. So username you can give something easy for now. Let's give root, and password also I'm going to give something easy called root. So don't worry, we are not going to use this password when we are going to deploy our site. So that time we'll use strong password. This is locally, so you can use something easy, and you can give some email ID. So I'm going to give a dummy email ID like example@gmail.com, something dummy, and I'm going to click on install WordPress. Alright, so what it's going to do is it's going to start installing our WordPress. So success, you can see it is rightly installed. Click on login over here, and let's give that same login ID and password you have given, root and root. Right, remember me. Click on login, and there you go. And you can see that we are successfully logged in into our WordPress site of Muscle Maker. So if you hover over Muscle Maker and click on this visit site, you can already see our Muscle Maker site is already open, along with that title. Muscle Maker is also been there. So currently they have given just a dummy site. So don't worry, we are going to improve it, and we are going to make it completely a gymming site. So on my following videos, I'm going to show you all of that. That's just the first video of this playlist. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to install Astra theme, then Elementor plugin, and how you can easily start building your website. So that's for the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. please do like, share and subscribe. That will really motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So today I'll be continuing with the second video of our playlist, so where we are making a gym website. I have already showed you how to install Xampp, then also how to install WordPress locally on your system. So I have also showed you how you can easily create a database within PHPMyAdmin, and then how to install your WordPress basically. So in my previous video I have showed you also how to create this muscle maker site. So this is just a template, so we are going to modify it and we are going to make a real gymming website. So that is what we are going to do on this video. So do watch the video till the end, and if you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in your comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. And at the end of this entire video series, I am also going to show you how to deploy this entire gymming website that we are developing into some server. So I am going to use Cloudways. So in detail I am going to show you all of that. So that will be at the end of the video, but on this video let's see how to install some of the plugins and then theme, and then how you can easily start developing your gymming website. Alright, so for that, first you need to go to your appearance and then you need to click on themes. So you are going to install Astra theme. So here you can see we have 3 themes, but we don't have Astra, so we need to add a new theme, Astra. So you're going to click on this add a new theme, and it's going to load all the popular themes. So here you can see we have a theme called Astra. So let's install this theme. So we'll be using Astra theme, and we'll be using Elementor plugin to edit the pages of our website. Alright, and we'll use our Astra theme to edit header and footer of our page. So you can see that our Astra theme is rightly installed. So let's activate our Astra theme. So immediately you can see that it is rightly activated. So once you have your Astra, next thing that you need to have is Elementor. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. So it's going to show you this page, so add plugins page. So here you need to search Elementor, and I can see it is rightly started searching. So there you go, you can see we have this Elementor plugin over here, right? So let's click on install now to install our Elementor website builder. So it will take a couple of minutes, so let's wait for a couple of minutes. And you can see that our Elementor website builder is rightly installed. So let's activate our Elementor plugin, and you can see it is rightly activated, right? So our Elementor plugin is rightly activated, and it has redirected to the installed all plugins. So here if you see, we have all these plugins already installed. Alright, so after you have Elementor, you will need another plugin. So again, go to these plugins. So you can hover over plugin and click on add new plugin from here also, or else you can click add new plugin from here also. So let's click over here, and again it will show you this install plugin page. So here you need to then search starter template. Alright, and immediately you'll be seeing the starter template, Elementor, WordPress and Brewer builder templates. So we need to install the starter template. So just simply click on install now, and it's going to start installing. Again let's wait for a couple of minutes, and you can see that our starter template is rightly installed. So let's click on activate to activate our starter template, and you can see that our starter template is already activated. So our starter template, Elementor and our Astra all are now installed. So one thing I just want to mention, like you need to have active internet connection right throughout all these installations. So these plugins, so they are fetching all the files from internet and then they are installing it locally on your system. Alright, so you need to have active internet connection. So I just wanted to mention that. So once you have all these plugins and theme that install, so let's under starter template you'll be seeing this C library. So just simply click on that, and it's going to show you all the starter template. So before that it will give you this couple of options. So let's click on build with templates, and here remember we have installed Elementor, right? So I'm going to choose Elementor over here, and you can see we have all these different templates available, right? So you can see different type of templates like iOS to Black Friday deal, or this Christmas shop, all that. So if you are a musician, if you are a guitarist and you want to show your art to the entire world, you can use this template. If you are a musician and if you want to show your art, you can do that. Alright, so you can do different things. You can see we have a lot of templates already available, right? Some of them are premium and some of them are free. So if you see like this one containing a premium tag, so this is a paid one, but this is a free one, right? So you can choose from the free one also. It totally depend upon your choice. Alright, so as we are going to build a gym website, so what I am going to do is I am going to search over here a gym. Just simply type gym over here, and you'll be seeing that we have lot of templates already available regarding gym and physical fitness. So a lot of templates are already available. These are premium one, but these are free one. So I'm going to, let's say, choose this yoga instructor, and I'm going to install it, and then I'm going to update this template into a gym website. Alright, so immediately when you click on that, you can see this template is rightly shown over here. You can always switch to different menus like about me, and you can see this about me page over here. You can switch to classes, so you can have a brief overview about this template, and then only you can proceed installing this template. So once you have a brief overview, click on skip and continue, and you can see you can choose some color. So default color they have selected this baby pink or magenta type of pink. You can keep this color, or you can change to some other color like maybe this violet or blue, whatever you like. Alright, so I'm going to choose this a blue one, and then I'm going to click on continue, and you need to give fill up this form. So let's give your name. I'll just give GS. I'll give work email as example.com. You need to provide your any email ID. Just giving a dummy email ID over here. I'm going to choose beginner. Alright, we are beginner, right? We are starting, so I'm going to select beginner for that, and you can choose myself only, and I'm going to also uncheck this share non-sensitive data. Alright, and then I'm going to click on submit and build my website, and immediately you'll be seeing we are building your website. So it is rightly started installing. Again, you need to have active internet connection, so it's going to fetch some of the important files from internet and then going to install it. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. So we'll come back, and you can see congratulations, so our site is rightly installed on our system. So let's view our website. So click on this button, and immediately can see that our site is up and running, right? So currently it is a yoga site, so we are going to convert this into a complete gymming site. So you can see it has everything, right? So starting from, so if I go to top, so we have a proper home page screen. So we have a contact today button. Then if we scroll down, then we have all these different type of health and fitness training and all, and then we have all the partner companies, so we can list something like that also on our gymming site. So I'm going to show you all of that. So then numbers speak, so you can talk about like how many years you are a gym trainer, then how many clients you have, or how many programs you are having. So all of that we are going to modify, don't worry. Alright, so then we can talk about some of the benefits of gym. You can list some of the exercise and all. So we are going to show you all of that, and then finally we also have what clients say about, alright, that testimonials. So that also you can show. And then we have finally joined these hundreds of healthy people. So we have how to join or how to contact with us. So that also we have. Alright. and we have a proper menu. So we have a classes. So under classes you can see that they have listed all the different type of classes, then pricing, everything. So you can click on this register and you can register also. All of that you can do. And we also have a FAQ. Alright, so we are going to modify this site into something which will be related to us, and I am going to also show you how you can easily customize this as per your requirement. Alright, so what I am going to show you will not only be limited to just a few customers. So I am going to show you the proper steps by the help of which you will be able to customize this entire site as per your requirement. So now I am going to show you all of that on my next video. So for now, this is pretty much all about this video. So what I'm going to recommend you is, now you can close some of the tabs. So like starter template you can close, this muscle maker also you can close, because now we have, this is our site, right? So this is our main site, so which is what we are going to modify. You can also close PHPMyAdmin. You can also close all the different tabs. Alright, so and then I'm going to also recommend you to hover over this muscle maker and click on this dashboard. Open this dashboard over here, and then just simply right click on this tab and duplicate this tab. So whatever you have here will be also having on this tab, and then you need to click on this muscle maker and click on visit site. So what it will have is, it will have our site. So what I wanted is, on first tab we'll have our dashboard, and then the next tab we'll have our website. So alright, so whatever changes I'm going to make over here, so will be going to reflect over here as well. Alright, so here I'm going to go to pages, and you can see we have all these pages. So this is what we are going to modify on our next video onwards. Alright, so that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. That really motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So today I'll be continuing with the third video of the playlist where we are making a gym website. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to install Xampp, then how to install WordPress locally on your system, then how you can easily install Astra plugin, then Elementor, all of that on my previous videos. So do watch those previous videos if you are watching this video for the first time. Alright, so I'll be continuing with where I have left on my second video. So this is the third video. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment sections. I try my best to help you. So in this video I am going to show you how you can easily modify this home page into a gym website. So you can see we have a lot of things already which is related to yoga. So you are going to convert this into a gym website. Alright, so let's begin. Now first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this edit with Elementor. So it's going to load our page where we can build the pages of our site. So you can see that it is properly open, the Elementor. So using Elementor we build the contents of our site. So this header and footer we are going to show in the latter part. For that I'll be using Astra, but this contents in middle, whatever you are seeing in middle, the middle section, the body section, basically we will use Elementor. Alright, and here in navigator you can see all containers. So first thing I'd like to explain is about the container. So if you click on this part, you can see this is a container section. If you hover, you can see it is telling edit container, right? So the first thing, that first wrapper you have is a container, and then if you expand this, you can see we have another container, and if we again expand this, we have heading, text editor and button and all of that, right? So basically this is the main container, and then if you again click on this part, you can see this is another container, right? And here also you can see we have another container. So these are basically column type. So under this main container we have two more container. First one this, and then again this one. So both these container, you can see these are wrapped under this main container, right? These two container. So if you click on this, you can see we are selected this one, right? And this is the another one. So these two are like column. So this is like the main wrapper, and then we have 2 more container, right? And then within this container, that is this one, we have a heading. So if you see, this is the heading, and then we have a text editor. You can see we have a text editor, and then we finally have a button over here, which is contact today, right? A button. So similarly, if you expand this, this container containing nothing, right? Only just an image. So that's why you can see it is empty over here. Then if you again scroll down, you can see we have now another container. So this container contains some of this information. So if you expand this, you can see we have again another wrapper container, and within that wrapper container we have lot of containers, right? So this is like the first container, then second container, and all that. So you can always check all the things one by one when you have free time. All right, so what I am going to show you is how we can easily convert that into a Xampp website, right? So first thing that I am going to do is I am going to select this main container, and then I am going to move over to the style, and I am going to choose an image. So I'm going to click on this choose image, and I'm going to choose one image which will fit for our Xampp website. So I'm going to switch to these free images, and I'm going to search over here Xampp. And here you can see we have a lot of like Xampp related images, right? So let's say I'm selecting this one, this man who is doing some exercise. So I'll just simply click on save and insert. It's going to start downloading our file, and it's going to put that image over here. You can see it is rightly put at our image over here, right? So if you click on update button over here, and you can see it is properly updated. So if you go back to our dashboard, and if you open visit site from here, so you'll be seeing that our site muscle maker is now updated with this person who is doing some kind of Xampp activity, right? So yeah, so you can see that this is dark in color. We need to make it something light, right? Something white. So let's click on this part. So you can see we have this text over here. So let's switch to our style, and from here you can see we have a text color, right? So we need to choose one text color. So I'll make that text color as white. All right, and you can see it is now properly transformed into white. But this text is not making any sense for our Xampp website, right? So let's put one catchy title for our Xampp website. So just simply Google Xampp tagline for website. Just can see we have a lot of taglines available, right? Already, right? Get fit, look great, something like this I'll pick up. So I'll just simply copy this, and I'll just simply change this. I'll go to content, so I'll just simply change this into with our this get fit and look great tagline, you can say. So similarly you can change something over here as well. So let's first make this as a white color, text color as white, so that we have proper visibility. And you can again choose some text as per your requirement. All right, and you can see we have a button here as well. So you need to click on this part, and you can see our contact today button is selected. So this color currently is blue. If you want to change that to some other color, like you can switch to this style, and you can choose a color from here. So just choose some different color, maybe something within black. All right, so you can see it properly change into a black color. Now okay, let's move on to the next part. So you can see this template is showing all different type of yogas. So we'll change that with some different type of features that we can provide. So now I'm going to change all of that. So you need to select one of the container. So I'm going to change this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first change this title over here. So I'm going to change the title with weight loss. All right, so it is now weight loss. So then the next thing that I'm going to do for here is I'm going to make this resistant training. All right, and next that I'm going to change this with probably muscle building. All right, next I'm going to change this one with mobility and flexibility. you should be changing as per your requirement. All right, so I'm just showing you how you can change that, but in reality you should be doing as per your requirement. So this one I'm going to change it with speed, strength, then power development. All right, and power development, and I'm going to change this probably with something like nutritional value, or let's say nutritional advice. All right, so you can see all these are properly changed, that the heading part. So I'm going to now change this image. So for weight loss, I'll show you how you can choose a proper appropriate image. So on Google you need to just simply search something like weight loss PNG and to hit enter. You can see if you switch to the image tab, you can see you have a lot of images, right? But some of these images are licensable. So what you need to do is you need to click on tools and to click on these users rights, and you need to click on this Creative Commons license, and whatever image you are picking from here are totally free, and it is commercially also you can use. These are under Creative Commons licenses, right? So from here I have choose all these images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of these choose image, and I'm going to switch to this upload file, and I'm going to click on this select files. So this will open your window. So you need to browse all these images. So if I click on this large icon, you can see I have already downloaded some of these images and prepared it. So I'm going to select all of my images, and I'm going to click on open, so that I can import all the images together. So what you need to do is you need to as per your requirement, you need to download that image and you need to make it ready locally on your system, and then you can upload those images over here, and then you can import it one by one. So for weight loss, let's say I'm selecting this one. So I'll going to select, and you can see it is properly replaced over here, right, with a weight loss image. Similarly for resistant training, I'm going to again go to choose image, and I'm going to choose one of the resistant training, maybe this one. All right, and I'm going to click on select. So you can see properly changed. Same for muscle building, I'm going to choose image, and I'll choose one of the powerful muscle building image. Next for mobility, again I'm going to go to media, and I'm going to, let's say, choose something like this one. Select, you can see properly changed. For strength, speed and all, so let's again choose one of the image. So something like this man running on the treadmill, so I'll select this. Similarly for nutritional advice, let's select one of the image, so probably this one. All right, and you can see we have now properly changed, and we are customized it as per our requirement, right? So similarly here also you can see we have one image, so that describes some yoga, but we need to change it with something as per our requirement. So I'll go to this choose image, and I'll probably give this one, select, and you can see it is properly over here, right? Yeah. So let's so this part I think we don't need. So I'll just simply click on this cross button, so that we are completely removing this part. So we'll just simply keep this, and then we'll move on to the numbers pick. All right, but before that I'm going to also talk about how you can give something on our description, something proper. So what you can do is you can go to your title, and you can just simply Google that title, something like weight loss. Just simply just search that. Will not need image. So just you can see we are already having some of the titles over here, some of the description parts. So you can copy something like this from Google, and you can place that over here. So you can see it is properly placed. Similarly, you can choose something from resistant training. So if you just simply Google resistant training, you can put something like this from Google. All right, so you can change it over here. Similarly, you can put something for muscle building. I'll just quickly do it one by one and we'll come back again. So you can see we have properly a title, then a description. So just simply click on update, so that we can update all the changes that whatever we have made. So now if you just simply refresh this, you'll be able to see all updates whatever we have made are properly showing over here, right? So all changes whatever you have made are properly showing. So now let's jump over to the numbers peak. So you can change something as per your requirement. So I'll change this 7 years experience with something like 10 years experience probably. All right, and probably the happy client, maybe I'll increase with something like probably 1000 or 1050, let's say, like happy client. And whatever number of program that you are having, the training program especially, you can specify that. I'll keep it 12. You can give some nice description, so you basically understood how you can change that, right? So you need to select this and you need to update it over here. So something you should be putting over here as per your requirement. Alright, same goes for here also and here also. You need to put something as per your requirement. I'm just showing how you can do that. Alright, yeah. So now if you scroll down, next thing that you are having is like benefits of yoga. So here also we'll need probably something as per your requirement, like, so I'll make it probably gym, benefits of gym, and I'll just simply Google this and I'll pick some of the suggestions from here, probably 10 benefits of gym or something. I'll pick up from here, maybe I'll pick all this and I'll just simply replace over this description section. Alright, so I'll hit enter, so that we have like a proper like point wise, right? Yeah. So again, this button you can see it is blue, so you can change this color. So you need to click on this button and then you need to move over to the style tab and to click on this color and to choose black, so that we are in sync with whatever we have made for that previous button, right? So this previous button also we have made black, so it will be good if we make this also black, right? And next I'll also going to change this image. So I'm going to choose this choose image, and I'm going to pick one image from these free images. So I'll again search something like gym again, and let's say I'm selecting something like this one probably. So save and insert and click on select, and there you go. You can see we have properly changed the image now. This background image also, you can see we have something in the background, right? So you need to click on this this container, and you can see within this container we have this image, right? So you need to select this container, then you need to switch over to the style tag, and you can see this image. So we need to replace this image with something as per our requirement. So again I'll go to free image and I'll just simply search again gym over here, and I'll select something probably this one. Alright, I'll just simply select save and insert. I'll select, and there you go. You can see it is properly changed. So I'm just showing how you can change. You can change as per your requirement. Alright, next I'm going to also change this image. So I'll select this main container. I'll switch over to the style tag. You can see this image. So I'm going to change this image with something. Let's say this time I'm searching like fitness, and can see lot of images related to fitness right over here. So let's select something probably probably this one. Click on save and insert, select, and there you go. You can see our image is properly changed now as per our requirement, right? Next thing that you have is testimonials. So you can see what client say about me. So you can put some of the comment from your client. You can put, you can select one of the container. You can change your image. You can provide your client image. All right. So all that you can do, you can give your, change this, description. So you need to write something over here. Whatever your client is saying, you can type that as per your requirement. Like, then you have again this one, that is this, join hundreds of healthy people. So you are inviting your customers to join to your gym, right? So you need to change this image. So you need to click on this container, then go to style, and let's choose something which will be related to your gym. So I'll select gym. Probably this time I'll give one like some sort of instrument as a picture, right? So let's give something like this one, probably dumbbell. Save and insert, select, and there you go. You can see it is properly changed, right? You can add more part also. You need to click on this plus, and you can select like what type of container you'd like to make. If you make this will be like full part, right? This will be 2 part. So if you select this, you can see we have 2 section now, like basically 2 container. One is here, another is here, right? And if you select something like this one, that will make 4 column, right? You can see 1 2 3 4, right? And you can subsequently put whatever widgets you need. Probably you need to click on this icon, and you can see we have lot of widgets available over here, right? So you can put something like text editor. You need to drag and drop, and you can have a text editor over here. Probably this one. You can again click on this widget, and you want to probably drag some video. So what you can do is you can just simply click on that. You can see our video placeholder is properly placed. And you click on this pencil icon, and you can give your own unique YouTube video link over here. It need not to be a YouTube video. Wherever you place that video URL is what you need to provide over here, and that source to provide. It could be Vimeo or Dailymotion or whatever, right? Yeah. Next widgets, if I talk about, you can select this again, and you can choose something from here. Maybe you'd like to put one form, so you can drag and drop it over here, and that will have a form over here, right? Contact from, probably whatever. And you can choose something else also. You can put some icon. You can see a lot of widgets are already available, right? So you can choose, and you can spend more time on all this. You need to basically study it, right? Whatever I'm showing is just a brief overview. So you need to basically dive more into all these different widgets, and you need to practice it, right? As per your requirement, right? So I'll cancel this entire section. I just wanted to show you all of that. So now we have a proper footer, copyright 2024, then muscle maker, that is our title we have created, right? So you can see now our website is pretty much ready, the home page especially. So at the end, I'm going to click on update to save all the changes, and you can see it is properly updated. So now if I simply refresh this, you'll be able to see all the changes over here, starting from this image, then this title, button, all these different type of features that you are providing on your gym. Then the numbers peak, we have changed all this. Then this image, benefits of gym, you can write as per your requirement. This button color that we have changed, this testimonials you can update as per your testimonials that you are getting, and then we have also changed this background image. All right, so yeah, that's how you can change your home screen. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how you can change your about me section. Then I'm going to talk about how to change these classes, then publication, and then how to get fit. All of that on the following video. So do subscribe this channel, press that bell button to get notified. And if you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So today I'll be continuing with our fourth video of this playlist. So we are making a gym website. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to install WordPress, then Xampp, then how to install our Astra theme, then Elementor, right? And then I have also showed you how you can easily modify our home page. So I have added all these images. You can see this number speak, then benefits of gym, all of that I have showed you on my previous videos. So if you are new to this video, then I highly recommend you to watch the playlist, so that link will get on our description. So today in this video I'll be continuing with my fourth video of the playlist. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. So today we'll see how you can develop your about me, then class, publication and get fit, all these pages. Alright. So now let's go to our dashboard and let's invoke our classes. So just hover over class and click on view. So that will open a new tab of our class. So you can see our classes is open. So we need to modify and make it something related to our gym. So click on edit with Elementor, and you can see now we are good to go to edit our classes page. So first thing, I'm going to change the image. So I'll go to choose image and I'm going to choose this one. I'll click on select and you can see that our image is directly changed over here. Next thing, I'm going to change the title. So I'm going to change the title with something like increase your muscle power, right? And you can also change your description. I'm not going to change the description for now. You can always change that, basically how to change the description, right? So you need to put a right description over here. All right, so unnecessary video will be too much long, so I am skipping that part. Now next thing is the different type of features that you are providing on your gym center. So in our home page we have already designed this. On my previous video I have showed you all of that, right? So within the main wrapper container we have then this container. So within that container we have title, then description, and we have added all these items, right? All these features. So same thing you can put here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to hover over this and I'm going to select that parent wrapper. So that is this one. So you need to click on this, and then on your keyboard you need to just simply do Ctrl+C. Alright, so we are copying this entire wrapper and then we are going to this part. So here we have this one, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on plus icon over here, and then I'm going to click on this plus, and then I'm going to select the first one. So now we have a parent wrapper. So within that parent wrapper I am going to select this one, and then I'm going to on my keyboard I'll just simply do Ctrl+V, and immediately you'll be seeing whatever there on our home screen are properly came over here. You can clearly see that, right? And then you can easily delete this one, so you no longer need this one, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first wrapper, and I'm going to hit the delete button on my keyboard, and you can see it is properly removed now. So now we clearly have first a title for our class, and then we have showing all the features that we are having, right? So next we can see we have a image slider. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first select the image. So you can see we have 6 images over here. So these images are keep on sliding. You can also click on this arrow, so image is sliding. So we are going to change it to something as per our requirement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first click on this icon to clear our gallery. So clear all the images, and then click on this add image, and you can choose your image again from the free image as I have showed you on my previous videos. Alright, so you need to just simply type something like fitness, and you'll be seeing like lot of images are already here, right? So let's download this one. So you can see one image is selected over here. Similarly, you can select from your media library as well. Let's say I'm selecting this one. You can see that 3 item is selected, right? And I'll also select this one. So for the time being I'm going to select 4. So click on create a new gallery, and insert gallery, and you will be able to see that 4 images are rightly added over here, and those images are also set as our image slider. So you can always click on this arrow and you can see that it is properly showing the image slider, right? So here you can put your customized image, so you can have photographs of your gym center and you can put that photo over here, right? So you need to just simply browse that photo and then you need to add that under this image carousel, right? And you are having a good image slider over here. Now let's scroll down. So next thing that we are having is about pricing and packages. So here we have something like group coaching. So let's change something like maybe basic plan. You can give as per your requirement. So I am giving just a demo. So maybe change that $150 per month to something like maybe $50 per month. You should be giving as per your requirement. I'm just giving a demo, right? Similarly, you can change this to something like maybe premium plan, right? And you can change the pricing also as per your requirement. Maybe I'll give 120. You can also change your feature. So your whatever feature you're having on your basic plan, maybe you can change that. So you can see you need to just simply change the text over here to something like maybe personal trainer, right? And you can change the icon also. You can see similarly, maybe I'll change the next one to something like maybe special class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to also set the same over here, so like special class, and I'm going to also change the first one to personal trainer, and I'm going to change this icon, right? So maybe for premium plan we'll have all the features available, but for basic plan maybe the special class will be not there, right, as a feature. So what we are going to do is you can just simply click on this icon library and we'll change this tick icon with something like cross. All right, so our basic plan will not have entire feature, but our premium plan will have all the features, something like that I wanted to show you. All right, so click on this icon library and you can see we have lot of icons here already. You can see, so you need to choose something like cross. So maybe if I just simply type close, you can see we have a like window close type of button over here. So you can just simply add that button and you can see we have a cross icon over here, right? So you need to change the color as well. So let's first select this one and go to style and click on this drop down of our icon and we'll change this color to black. All right, so that we can sync that as per our total website. So I'll also change the button color to black, and I'll do the same for our premium plan as well. Right. So you can see our basic plan, premium plan, all are rightly set. Then we also have like something catchy like summer offer. So let's change the color for this one as well to black to make that sync with our site. And you can customize this as well. Maybe you can change it to 50% off or 40% off or whatever offer you are providing. You can do that. You can also change the color of register also. So I'll change the color to black, right? And you can see now it is properly are synced with our entire website template, right? So if you scroll down, the next thing that we have is FAQ. Again, you can give your customized Q&A over here. So you need to just simply click one of the option and then you need to modify your title and then you need to change the description over here, right? Similarly you can do for all the other items. So next, if I scroll down, you can see we have this the common footer that we have for all the pages. So you need to click on this middle icon, and then to go to style and to change the image. So remember, we have changed that image to this one, so I am going to select this dumbbell over here, and you can see it is properly changed, right? So yeah, so this way you can change your classes page. So I'll just simply click on update, and you can see it is properly updated. You can always click on this eye icon, and it's going to show you all the preview changes. So you can see our classes screen is properly set, right, including our image slider and all that. You can always click on this icon, and you can see you are properly changing your images, right? Yeah, so that's how you develop your class. Let's switch on to publication. So I'll click on publication, and then I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and you can see our Elementor is properly opened for our publication. Let's first change this image. So we'll select this one, select, you can see it is properly changed. You can give any book name, or let's say you haven't published any book but you are a content creator. So you can change this publication to something like content creator, right? You might be creating gym related videos, so you can give something like content creator, and you can give your YouTube channel name over here. So maybe you can give something like muscle maker workout classes, right? So something like this you can give, and you can give some description. You can change the image also. So you need to select the part, and you need to choose your image. Let's say I am selecting this one. I'll select, image is slightly changed. You can also change the title and description over here. You can give it here like muscle maker, or you can also give your name. Then you can write something about yourself. You can also put your image over here. So it totally depends upon you, right? How you want to customize this site, that is totally your part. I'm just showing how you can do that, right? And you can change your button over here. So it's the color. So you can click on this icon, and then to go to style, and you can change this color to black. So currently they have given a gradient, so you need to change this color as well to make it totally black. And here we have a like buy book link, right? So instead of buy book, what you can do is you can probably first let's change the name to something like subscribe, and here under this link you can give your YouTube link, YouTube channel link, like something like www.youtube.com/your channel link, right? So that you can provide over here instead of hash. So what will happen is, as soon as you click on the subscribe button, it's going to automatically redirect to that YouTube channel page. So you can change that link over here, right? So yeah, that's how we change this part. You can also change here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly fast forward, and I'm going to change all this part now. So welcome back. So you can see that I have modified my publication page. So I'm going to change that with something like content creator. So that how to change the menu part I'm going to talk about on my next video. But for now, let's see how we have changed this. So I have changed the title over here, then I have changed this image, I have added some of the bullet points over here, I have changed this title, right? So here, as I was talking about, I have added a YouTube video link. So I have just added my channel link over here. You should be adding your link. And then as I scroll down, I have changed all this image. I have given this title called free fitness training. So I have also added this watch video link. I have also changed the icon over here, right? And then if you again scroll down, you can see I have also changed this one. So if you want to see these preview changes, you can see this is how it looks now. So you can always click on one of the button. You can see it is redirecting to our YouTube channel link over here, right? Yeah. So that's how you change this. I'll close this. I'll now move over to my next tab, that is Get Fit. So let's go to our dashboard and we have a Get Fit. So just simply click on View, and here I'm going to click on Edit with Elementor. So here let's first change this image. So I'll select this one, click on Select. So our image is rightly changed over here. So next I'm going to change the title. So Get Healthy Life with Muscle Maker. Right, you can also change the description over here. Then our studio address, you should be giving your address of your gym center over here, right, under this title. I'll keep this default. Then you should be giving our website's link over here, right, under this link. And then you should be giving your, and then here you should be giving your schedules. Here also I'm going to keep this default, like Monday to Friday, this 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. then Saturday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you need to change the timing over here as per your requirement. I'm not going to change anything for now. And here is our Google Map location. So you need to click on this this pencil icon, and you can see this location is given over here. So you should be giving your exact location over here, and you can also tweak this zoom and height as per your requirement. You can see it is changing the map location, right? So you can zoom it more, and you can also zoom out. So it totally depends upon you, right? So you have to provide your location over here, and then you have to customize this zoom and height over here. So let's say I'm providing one address of like maybe Statue of Liberty. So I'll just simply type over here, and you can see it is showing the Statue of Liberty location over here, right? So in this way you need to change your location. So I just gave a demo over here, right? And you can also change these colors. So I have showed you almost n number of times how to change these colors. So similar way you need to change this color, and then I'm going to change this image. So I'll change the image from media library to this dumbbell, which I was keep on doing on all the pages, right? So you can see now you are good to go for this page, right? So just simply click on update. So all changes are now applied. So I missed this image, so I'll click on this media library and I'll change the image, right? So yeah, so that's all. So click on update. So you're done with Get Fit. Now I'll move on to the About Me section. So I'll go to page again, and I'll click on About Me. So I'll click on View, and here also I'll click on Edit with Elementor. So here also first I'll change the image. Then I'll change this color. So here is a scroll to bottom icon. So I'm going to select this. You can see this icon. So I'm going to switch to style tag, and I'm going to change this color to black, right? And you can change your About Me you can change your description. You can give it here like muscle maker. You can give a short description. You can change the color here. So I'll go to color, I'll change the color. Right, you can give your profile picture over here, and you can give maybe just an instructor. Right, so you should be giving your image over here. I'll choose from one of the image from the free images. So let's say I'm selecting this one. I'll click on save and insert. You can see it is properly shown over here. So you can see that this height is a bit increased, so I'll go to style. I'll change the width over here. So now it is almost in sync with the other one. You can similarly change it over here. You can change this author to maybe content creator, and you can change this nutritionist here as well, so as per your requirement. Alright, so here also I think we'll not need this section, so I'll simply cancel that. And you can also modify this testimonial part as we have done on the home screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to add on one content over here, and then I'm going to go to our home screen. So remember, we have a proper what client say about me section. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to do Ctrl C, and then I'm going to put that right up over here. So Ctrl V. So you can see now we have a proper testimonial part on our about me home section as well. Right, so let's change this image also. We'll select the dumbbell one, and you can see it is properly changed now. Right, so you can also change this background image. So I'll click on this, I'll go to style, and I'll change this image with something. So maybe I'll be selecting this one. So I'll click on save and insert. So you can see we have a proper image right up here under muscle maker. Right, so yeah, that's how you change your about me sections. So just simply click on update, and when you click on this preview changes, you can see we have properly modified our about me section as well. Right, yeah. So if I go to classes, here also we can see we have properly modified our classes. So we properly have list of all the features, then we have a proper carousel, and then we also have a pricing section as well. Right, so basic plan, then premium plan, and also what offer we are providing. Then we have a FAQ section. Right, so next if I move on to the publication, so this publication will be changing with content creator. Right, so that I'm going to show you on the next video, how you can change the menu part, then how to change the logo part on my next video. So for now, I can see we have a content creator. So we have a link to subscribe button as well, or watch video, and all that we have also modified over here. Right, and next if you switch on to the get fit section, here also you can see we have changed everything. So we have a proper working hours, then we have a proper location where we have our gym center. So currently I have set like Statue of Liberty to provide your address over here, and then we also have a ask me your queries. Right, and here also you can see we have all the social media links. So if I quickly jump over to this get edit section, what you need to do is you need to go to content, and you need to expand one of this icon and to provide that link over here. So here you'll be providing your Facebook link, then for Twitter and to provide your X handle link, then for Google Plus is no longer there, so you can always delete this one. Then you can use Instagram link over here, you can give your LinkedIn link, then your YouTube link, all that you can give, right? So yeah, that's how you update your all these pages. So in my next video I'm going to show you about the menu part. So I'm going to talk about how you can change the menu, how you can change the logo, all that on my next video. So I know this video is a bit long, but I hope I was able to explain all the things to you. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So today I'll be continuing with the 5th video of the playlist where we are making a Xampp website. So in my previous videos I have showed you starting from how to install Xampp, then how to install WordPress, Astra theme, Elementor, and then we have developed our home page, about me, classes, publication, get feed, all of that I have showed you on the previous videos. So if you are completely new to this video, then I highly recommend you to watch the entire playlist and then you can start watching this video. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the menu over here, then how to change the logo, and then I'm also going to show you how this site will look on your phone. Alright, so do watch the video till the end. I can guarantee you if you watch the video till the end you'll be learning a lot of new things, and if you still face any issues in middle, please do comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change this publication with content creator. Remember I have told you about that on my previous video. So we have make that as content creator instead of publication. So we have added a YouTube channel link here. So subscribe button will redirect to your YouTube channel link. Currently I have set my channel. So you are going to change the menu over here. Instead of publication it's going to be content creator. So for that you need to go to your pages tab. So remember from this pages tab we are invoking each of the pages, right? So from here we can see that we have a publication over here, right? So this is what we need to edit. So to click on this quick edit and it will show you this quick edit. So here you can change the title. So I'm going to change the title with content creator, and I'm also going to change the slug over here with the same content dash creator, right? So slug basically means you can see like here it is after WordPress it is showing something like get dash feed, right? So similar to this, if you switch over to the publication you can see it is showing publication, right? So instead of publication it will show content creator, whatever you are giving over here. So that is what it's going to show up here. So let's first click on update, and you can see that it is properly updated now. So now if you go to your publication and if you just simply refresh this, you can see that this page does not exist now, but you can see that our menu is rightly changed over here. So if you click on this content creator, it's going to show you that same page, but this time our menu is changed with content creator. You can see the URL is also changed with content creator, and all the details on this page are related to that content that you are creating on your YouTube, right? So that watch video, then subscribe, all that it is showing. So in this way you can change the menu if you want to change the text of this menu for class, then get fit and all. So similarly you can do that on this page section. So you need to click on quick edit and you can modify that, right? Next thing that I'm going to talk about is how to change the logo. So for that you need to click on customize, then our Astra customize option is rightly open. So let's first switch to our home page. So this is our home page and we are in the customizable mode. So first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this icon, that logo, that icon beside the logo, and immediately you'll be seeing this, first one is logo, then we have a retina logo. So both things is what we need to update, right? So how to create a logo, right? That is the first thing that I'm going to show you. So let's close all this tab, and in Google I'll just simply search Xampp Center logo PNG. Alright, and you can go to this images tab and you need to click on tool, and uses rights to change to Creative Commons license. And you can see we are having lot of logo which are under Creative Commons license, so you can use that. So maybe I'm selecting this one. I'm going to just open this image in a new tab, and I'm going to download this image and going to save that locally on our system. So you can see it is rightly saved. So let's open the folder. So this is our image. So I'll open this in Paint. And I'm going to click on the selection tool, and I'm going to just simply nudge that a bit above, right? And then I'm going to choose this text icon, and I'm going to put here Muscle Maker as a text, right? And then I'm going to select this text, and I'm going to change the font to something like maybe Broadway, let's say, right? So I'll increase the font, and I'm going to put it right in center, right? And I'm going to change this page size to a bit shorter. So you can see it is properly set now. Now I'll go to this resize, and I'm going to put this horizontal to something like maybe 20%, right? So same for vertical, click on OK. So you can see now it is properly a logo size. So I'll go to file and save this as a PNG format. So within desktop I'm going to save this, probably naming it like Muscle Maker. I click on save, and then I'll go back to my site. So here is our site. So first I'll remove this image, I'll remove the Retina logo as well, and I'm going to select logo, and this time I'm going to browse it from my desktop. So if I go to desktop, you can see we have this logo that we have created. So I'll just simply click on that. So it's going to import over here, and then I'm going to select, and I'll skip cropping, and there you go. You can see logo is rightly added over here as well as on our header, right? So similarly you need to put that logo onto our Retina logo as well. So select image. So under media library you'll be seeing that same image. So I'll choose that image, and it's going to set for our Retina logo as well, right? So now if you just simply click on publish, and if you just simply probably refresh your site, you can see that our logo is properly updated, Muscle Maker, right? So in this way you can update your logo, then you can update your menu, all of that. Now I'm going to show you how our site will look on our phone. So if you switch to our customize tab, and you can select, you can see we have these three options, right? So if you select the middle one, that is basically tab. So this is how it's going to look on any tab. So you can see first we have the logo, then we have a hamburger icon, where if you click on that you can see all the menus over here, right? I'll close the menu. So I'll scroll down, you can see all the features that we are going to provide. Then it comes the number speak, and then it also shows that image, then benefits of gym, and finally the testimonial part is also here, and finally that join hundreds of healthy people, right? And we have the footer here as well. So if you need to change the footer, you can always click on this icon, and you can change your copyright, then you can change the current year or title. So this will always take the current year, whatever is there on the server. So that server time is going to take, and site title will be whatever title you are giving, right? So you can see here also we have a title called Muscle Maker. So that same thing going to apply over here, powered by Muscle Maker, right? So that also if you want to change, you can change that by just simply clicking on this pencil icon, and you can change it over here. Alright, so I'm going to recommend not to change anything here, but if you still want, you can do that, right? So that's how it will look on any tab. So if we switch to phone, you you can see that is how it's going to look on our phone. So first we again have logo, then we have a hamburger icon, so which will show all the menus. So this hamburger icon, you can see that it is blue color, so we need to change it to something black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this pencil icon, and then I'm going to go over to the design, and you can see icon color is currently set to blue. So I change that to black, and I'm going to also change the border. So you can see border color is over here, so I'll change it to black also. So you can see now it is properly black. So if you click on that, you can see all the menu, right? And I'm also going to show you, if you let's say don't like this icon, you like probably this one. So you can see now that icon is changed. You can also click on this one, the third icon type, so that will show you this triple dot. So that also you can do, right? It totally depends upon your choice. So I'll choose the first one, and I'm going to click on publish, and immediately whatever we have saved, so that's going to be published on our site. So yeah, so that's how it looks on our phone. So you can see we have everything properly responsive. So that's how it's going to look on our phone. You can always change it to different menu. Probably if you want to go to content creator, so you can easily go there by just simply clicking on the menu over here, and you can see we are in content creator page. So everything is responsive, right? Yeah, so that's how you change the hamburger icon, and that's how it look on our phone, right? So I'll switch back to the desktop mode, and here if you see that we have first logo, so that is shown over here like site title and logo. Then we have a gap right in middle, so that gap is, you can see over here. And then we have primary menu, so that is lying over here. So if you want to add something in middle, you need to click on this plus, and you can add something in middle. So I'm just showing a demo, like you can add some social media. So if you click on that, it's going to show up over here, right? But it does not look good, so I just wanted to show you, right? So if you want, you can do that. Maybe if you are having some offer running only for that particular day, you can put something like here, and you can put some offer for that particular day. So that's also you can do. All right, so let's go back to our home page. So here you can see that everything is properly set. So you can see number speak, then benefits of gym, and all of that is properly set now. So you're good to go. So that's how you create a brand new website locally on your system. Hope these videos are really helping you. If you need more tutorial on WordPress, don't forget to mention that on our comment sections. I'm going to happily make more videos on that. And if you want to know further about how to deploy this type of website on some hosting platform like Cloudways, then I highly recommend you to also watch this video. So let's create another server. So click on add server, and here you need to select what type of application that you'd like to create. So let's select WordPress and give an application name. So let's give the application name as Fashion Sphere. I'll highly recommend you to watch this video. So in this video I have showed you how to create a complete e-commerce website, and I have deployed that entire website onto Cloudways. So similar to that, you can also deploy this Muscle Maker website also over there. So do watch our other tutorials on WordPress and WooCommerce. Today I am going to show you the best way to create an e-commerce website in less than 50 minutes. So after watching this video, you will be able to create your very own online store just like this for free. And your customer will be able to view your products, and then will be add them onto your cart, and then use your unique promo code to get a discount. And then they can even make orders right from your website. And the best part is whatever I am going to show you on this video will be completely free, so you don't need to spend any money on web developers or theme or even templates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's going to really motivate me to make more and more this kind of videos. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.